How to change font style in iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change font style in your iPhone. So first of all, just simply open your settings, and after that just simply scroll down and click on the general from the options. Just simply scroll down again and click on the font section and click on system fonts, and over here you have so many different options of the font that you can choose from. But right now iPhone doesn't allow system wide font replacement, but there is a workaround. So what you have to do is just simply come back to your settings again and click on this accessibility section from the menu, and after that scroll down again, and under the accessorize section just simply click on keyboards and typing, and over here you need to click on hover typing and just enable this hover typing settings, and after that just simply go to font section, and after that just simply select your favorite style of font that you would want to use, and after that just simply select that. And once you selected that, just simply come back and just check while typing any message either on your messenger or on your WhatsApp or any other social media platform or anywhere, and your font size will be changed. So this is basically how you will be able to change font size in iPhone. I hope you find this video to be helpful.